You are going to need these things: receiver and transmitter, 2 gear motors, a rechargeable battery, a thermopore sheet, and 2 bottles. I am using this one because it is perfectly round from bottom, making it perfect for a ferry. Mark the bottle from where you will cut them to make the propellers. Cut the both sides of the bottle. Now cut these line which you have drawn. There will be 5 strips from each bottle. Ten strips from both the bottles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 propeller done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the propellers are done. Now just fix the motors on the thermopore. Connect the receiver with the motors. Plug in the battery and check whether everything is a go or not. Working. I didn't had a place to try it, so I just did it in this. Subscribe.